Welcome. Let's dive into filters in Dell Boomi. Imagine trying to find a needle in a haystack. You wouldn't go through every single piece of hay, right? Filters help us pick out only the information we need, avoiding a messy overload. They make processes efficient, ensuring we deal with just the right data and nothing extra. And trust me, a good filter setup can make your Boomi workflows run like a dream. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Ever feel like your inbox is overflowing? Well, Boomi deals with data the same way. Without filters, it would be swamped with irrelevant details. These filters help streamline workflows, keeping only the valuable data. They also speed up processing time, because let's be honest, no one likes waiting for unnecessary data to load. The better you set up filters, the smoother everything runs. Now, let's talk filter types. Think of these like different coffee filters. You choose the one that fits your taste. Query filters let you extract just what you need. Logical operators help combine conditions, and dynamic filters adjust to changing needs. And don't forget source vs. destination filters. They ensure clean data goes in and comes out. The right filter selection makes a big difference. Ever searched for something online, but got thousands of results? Query filters in Boomi work like a precise search. They bring in exactly what you need. They help refine data, making sure your process isn't cluttered with unrelated information. With these filters, your workflow stays lean, mean, and highly efficient. All right, let's talk about filters. Imagine trying to find one specific email in a flooded inbox. Painful, right? Well, applying filters in Salesforce to NetSuite works the same way. Filters help weed out the irrelevant data, ensuring only what's needed makes the cut. This means faster syncing, reduced clutter, and a much happier database. Mastering this step makes integration a breeze. Filters aren't just digital sieves. They are the backbone of smart business decisions. Imagine running a marketing campaign without targeting the right audience. That's what happens without proper filtering in business logic. They help enforce rules, streamline operations, and ensure data works for you, not against you. Get them right, and you're saving time, money, and plenty of headaches. Handling large data sets without filters, that's like finding a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is on fire. Filters keep databases running efficiently by fetching only what's needed, cutting down processing time, and preventing system overload. So, instead of drowning in data, let's filter wisely and keep things smooth sailing. Using filters properly is like setting up house rules. Do it right, and everything runs smoothly. Define clear criteria, review settings regularly, and always aim for optimized performance. Oh, and document everything. Future you will thank you when troubleshooting gets easier. Trust me, well-managed filters are the unsung heroes of a great system. Filters are fantastic, but when used wrong, they're like putting a lock on a door with no key. Overcomplicated filters lead to slow performance. Incorrect applications cause confusion, and neglecting maintenance. That's asking for trouble. Keep things simple, functional, and properly maintained, and your filters will always work for you, not against you. Troubleshooting filters is like being a detective. Find the root cause, fix the logic, test with sample data, and tweak settings until it's flawless. Instead of banging your head against your keyboard, take a systematic approach, and soon you'll be solving filter issues like a pro. Advanced filtering. Now we're getting fancy. Think of it as moving from basic arithmetic to calculus. But don't worry, it's all about fine-tuning. Conditional logic, dynamic filtering, and custom expressions make data handling precise and efficient. A little complexity here, a lot of accuracy there. It's worth the effort. So, what's the takeaway here? Filters aren't just a nice to have. They're a must-have for efficient data processing. They improve accuracy, keep things running smoothly, and ensure systems communicate seamlessly. Master these techniques, and you're officially a filtering expert. Congratulations. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.